Good morning, students. In this video, we will see with the problem number 18th, 2018 question paper, 14 marks, branch accounts. Let us understand the questions. Belagavi, head office of a company, invoices goods to its Ubbali branch at cost plus 20%. Belagavi, it is the head office at Belagavi, and it is having a branch at Ubbali. So they are sending the goods to branch at cost plus 20%. Then we have to convert the percentage on sales, that you know how to calculate the percentage. Again, we will see in the calculation. The branch has also purchases independently from local traders for which payment are made by head offices. Right here, all the goods are purchasing by the branches. That expenses also paid by whom? That is the head office only. Then it will be recorded under debit side. All the cashes or collection of the day is to be remitted to head office through a bank account, and all the expenses of the branches are directly paid by head office. From the following show the Ubbali branch account in the books of head office. So whatever the amount are there, that has to be remitted to the head office regularly, and again all the expenses are met by the head offices. Then all the expenses will be recorded under debit side of the branch account. We will see one by one transaction where it will be hit in the branch account, and whether we have to prepare any such accounts. Impressed cash on 1/1/2017, 31st December 2017, 1/1/2017 60,000, and the closing date 55,500. Where it will come? It is a petty cash, opening petty cash 60,000 debit side, 55,500 is a closing petty cash. It comes under credit side branch account. Datas is given 1/1/2017 7,50,000. It's a opening balances of datas. It comes in debit side of the branch account, and again meanwhile we have to prepare the memorandum datas account in order to know the balances. Here opening balance kottidare andre we have to find out what closing balance. We will record in the memorandum datas account debit side of the datas account. Next one, stock on 1/1/2017 transferred from head office at invoice price. That is goods sent, sorry, not goods. It is ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು? ಇದು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್? ಅಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ರೈಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಈ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. How much? That is a 4,80,000 debit side of the branch account. Next, total sales is given 52,50,000. It will be recorded under debit side of the trading, the memorandum memorandum datas account. Bracket al bariri 52,50,000. From this amount you minus the cash sales 13,50,000. Then you can able to find out the credit sales. Next, again this cash sales will be recorded under credit side of the branch account. Returns from customers, it is a sales return amount 90,000, credit side of the datas account. Direct purchases debit side of the branch account. Goods sent to branch from head office at invoice price, debit side of the branch account. Transfer from head office for petty cash expenses to bank account. Expenses right as under debit side of the branch account. Bad debts credit side of the debtors account. Discount to customer, it is a discount allowed, credit side of the debtors account. Cash received from customers, it is a collection from debtors, credit side of the datas account. Meanwhile again this will be recorded under credit side of the branch account also by bank account. Next, branch expenses 9 lakh, that right under debit side of the branch account. Then there is a closing balances, that is the stock is given. Direct purchases from by branches 3,60,000. Next one, transferred from head office at invoice price 5,40,000. ಅಗೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಅಗೈನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ನ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾವು first what we have to calculate, that is a percentage of profit on sales. How to calculate? The given information is what? Cost plus 20 percentage. Then how to calculate profit percentage on sales? Given profit percentage divided by 100 plus 20, then that will be 120. When it is converted to smallest, that is a ratio, 20,000 20 in 21s are 20, 26 are 120, that is 1 by 6, or when it converted to percentage, 16 point goes on 666, but better you go what 1 by 6 in order to minimize the decimals na ನಾವು minimize ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, take 1 by 6. Now again we have to prepare the working note, that is a memorandum data account, in order to know the closing balances of data. Apply the data to the ledger account. To balance brought down means what? Opening data 7,50,000 and credit sales will be recorded in the data account, but they have not given the credit sales, but they have given the hint how to find the credit sales. Total sales is given 52,50,000 minus cash sales 13,50,000, then the credit sales will be 39 lakh. Again cash by cash account, cash received from customers 37,50,000, bad debts 30,000, discount allowed 60,000, sales return 90,000, right? Make the balances. Debit side is more 46 lakh 50,000, 46 lakh 50,000 minus all this amount, then the balance carried on will be 7 lakh 20,000. This is how, this with the memorandum data account, this 7 lakh 20,000 amount will be recorded under credit side of the branch account as what? Closing data. Now prepare the branch account. Hubbali branch account, it's a nominal account. Profit and losses we have to find out, either profit or loss. Opening stock, transfer from head office ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, invoice presently 7,20,000, direct purchases by the branch 4,80,000. next there is a opening petty cash amount 60,000, opening data 7,50,000, goods sent to branch at invoice price 18 lakh, and again in the mid of the year or during the year, even branches is purchasing the goods, that is a direct purchases 13,50,000, but this amount will be paid by whom? Head offices. Next one, to bank account, that is a petty cash 75,000. Next one, again there is a expenses in the branch, that is to bank account 9 lakh. Next come to the credit side, by bank account there is a cash sales, how much? That is 13 lakh 50,000. next again they are receiving the amount from the customers 37 lakh 50,000. make it these two, then the total bank account amount is what? 51 lakh. next they are not given the any goods written by branch to head office, make it bardu bekare nil torsi, illandre you ignore the transaction. By closing stock, they have given that is a transfer from head office at invoice price 5,40,000. next direct purchases is also having the closing stock 3,60,000. closing petty cash given in the problem 55,500. then the closing data, it is not given, we find it in the memorandum data account 7,20,000. now next go with the removal of the profit, in which and all profit is included. opening stock allide, goods sent to branch allide, closing stock allide. opening stock allirodu yavadu? 7,20,000 is the opening stock amount into 1 by 6, or you can take 16.66666 with all the digit, then you will get the exact amount. By better, in order to minimize the decimal, go with the 1 by 6. 7,20,000 into 1 by 6, 1,20,000, it's a profit. next goods into branch 18 lakh into 1 by 6, 3 lakh. next again there is a profit in the closing stock is also, closing stock amount is 5,40,000 into 1 by 6, then profit is 90,000. then the credit side is more, that is 71,95,500 is the credit side revenue amount, that is the credit side amount, minus the take this amount for the, in order to know the balances, 71,95,500 minus all the debit balances up to stock reserves, that is 90,000, then the balance will be called as 9,70,500. It is profit. Profit out of the branch. It will be remitted to whom again? It will be for the head offices. This is how with the 2018 question paper preparation of the branch account. A very simple problem. You have to understand and record it and practice it, understand it. Thank you so much, guys. Again with the next, we'll see with the 2019 question paper, 14th marks, your branch account, and with that I will going to finish the your syllabus. Not this chapter. This is the chapter. Thank you so much.